Hey everyone! Think you're ready for any driving situation? Put your skills to the test with these nerve-wracking scenarios. Can you avoid these dangerous situations? Let's find out now! Driving while impaired can lead to unintended consequences. Always prioritize safety first. Four wheels, powerful engine, but still overtaken by a motorbike like a breeze.
The left lane on the ramp for exit 15E and a couple problems on the two lanes are knocked out.
Something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals.
Someone hoped for a quick lane change, but Destiny delivered a rollover instead.
Блять, пиздец, авария, вот это уродно.
One careless moment from a truck can trigger a chain reaction. Thankfully, this time the lesson didn't come at too high a cost. The intersection isn't at fault, bad overtaking judgment is. This clip belongs in a driver's manual. Once again, size didn't come with caution, and the highway paid the price. This intersection gave a costly lesson. Red means stop, not gamble your luck.
Mấy ông của mẹ cái là nó cái ao stop.
A sudden lane change sends the car over the divider. Thankfully, no major collision occurred. What a close call!
Go ahead and start med units. It means in third. I'm gonna have a vehicle accident.
Oh dear, sliding like on ice, then BAM! Who would have guessed it would end with such a bang? No brakes, no warning, just a savage turn in Hellertown. Oh wow, looked like a figure skating performance in the middle of a curve. One cut-off move and suddenly it's a chain reaction of van flipping chaos. Luckily, everyone walked away fine. The car was engulfed in flames, and in that split second the photojournalist charged in like a real-life firefighter. That car dropped like a circus acrobat, and luckily our driver didn't buy front row tickets. Looked like the car was frolicking on the grass. Too bad it was real pavement. The gas pump was peacefully sleeping when a car crashed in to wake it up at midnight. A fiery collision in Milwaukee, fully captured by security cameras.
Ребята, правее берем их. Америка с горы. Твою мать!
A steep hill, failed brakes, a driver screaming over the radio, and some thought it was just a minor issue. Where was he off to in such a hurry? Maybe he thought a UFO was chasing him. Was this a technical fault or just the bus on a local cafe tour? Luckily, everyone is safe. The Audi tried to overtake, but ended up performing acrobatics on the highway. Nature went big, dropping rocks like it invited the whole road to a survival challenge. Synchronized truck spin, free admission, just bring reckless driving. Never underestimate a Honda with mysterious plates. It sure knows how to make an entrance. He wanted to drift in style, but the car decided to end the show with fireworks. And a construction site meets rush hour, chaotic like a buffet without a line. That was close. She had just placed the warning sign when another crash happened right behind her. Maybe the driver had a hair appointment, but parking inside the salon was a bit much. A creative parking stunt that startled the whole neighborhood. The storefront probably had no idea what hit it. A Texas officer saves a woman just seconds before a truck crashes into her car on a rainy road. A real-life movie moment. Quick action and calm kept her safe in a close call. Wow, the car wanted to go forward, but the truck decided to do some reverse workout. A small accident caused minor injuries. Everyone should stay cautious on the road. Loop Street Friday morning feels calm, only when there's no speeding or careless driving around.